Hello everyone, welcome to Duanduan Mandarin. Today I will continue our lesson about more consonants. Let's start. The first one looks like the English letter Z. The pronunciation sounds like the B, the buzz, buzz, z, z. Okay, so can you try to copy my pronunciation? It should be z, z, z. Can I hear your voice, please? Very good. The second one looks like the English letter C. How do we say that? Can you copy my pronunciation? C, C. I will still use a piece of napkin to make the difference between Z and C clearly. For the B, the buzz, that Z sound, no air come out. Z, Z. For the C sound, you should let air come out from your mouth. It should be C, C. Can I hear your voice, please? C. Very good. The pronunciation for the last pinyin, it sounds like a creepy animal, snake. S, that sound. So can you try to listen carefully? S, s. Can I hear your voice, please? Very good. Now it's our challenge time. Z plus I will be Z, I, zai. Very good. Zai. If I bring the fourth tone to this pronunciation, how do you pronounce it? Zai, zai. Okay, it combined with another words. Jiàn, jiàn. When we put them together, will be 再见, 再见. In Chinese, 再见 means goodbye. I hope you enjoyed the lesson and I will see you next time. 再见.